So this is a bearing for a CNC Q2. It's like a little German Faulhaber motor. It's not a brushless system, so it doesn't use magnets. It's got a little ball bearing. Problem is, this little bearing keeps popping off, right? I tried having like wires wrapped around, pulling it down, but eventually it breaks the wires. It's got too much pressure pushing outwards as it's spinning, right? And it does have a lot of torque, and so it breaks things. So what I'm going to try and do is, I can't find where my soldering iron is, but I did get some lead core solder. I'm going to use my dabbing torch to heat up the tip of this flathead screwdriver to melt some of this onto here. Hopefully it will hold. Let's see what happens. So I put like a little drop of solder right there, melted it off using the torch. Now we just got to get that to melt onto here. There we go. As you can see, the bearing, it spins. It's got like a little piece of solder at the end. I like to have a rubber band to have extra help to hold it down, and I added some Vaseline on these so it doesn't get tight. This one's healing up very nicely. So I was talking to my son about tattoos. I'm like, man, the younger generation just seems to want Jujutsu Kaisen and Demon Slayer tattoos. A little bit older generation, my generation, wants Dragon Ball Z tattoos, and then another generation wants Naruto tattoos. You know, actually, all generations seem to want Naruto tattoos. I honestly can't imagine somebody of a younger generation who's going to sit through that many episodes of an anime that is